Hi lovely people, how are you? Well, I got my July 2018 Mint Mongoose. I literally just got it in the mail. I just opened it up. It comes in this pretty aqua blue packaging, which I love. So I do get this subscription free for a review every month. I have a discount code. I will leave it down below where you can try this out for $10 off your first subscription. I don't get anything out of it. It's just for you guys. But this is a $12 a month subscription and you get 3 items, pieces of jewelry. Now I know there is like a more expensive one. I believe it's $22 and it's called like the Black Mongoose or something like that. I will leave it down in the description box, but I haven't peeked in here, so I don't know what's in here, but I love this packaging. I say in every video, and I'm sure everybody else does with this. I love it. It has the little mongoose on there. It looks like one of them old time little stamps, you know. So I have not opened it up yet, so let's just open that up. I love that satisfaction. Okay. So let's see what's in there. And every month you get a little piece of candy. This is my favorite candy, these Werthers. Love it. And you do get a little thank you card here with the mongoose on there. Anything else? That's it. So she always puts it so nice, wraps it up. Okay. All right. So the first thing I see is a little ring. So that's good. It's like a little V or triangle. And I like it because you can open it or close it. This is nickel free. And my fingers are so big because I always crack them. And I am diabetic, so a lot of times they swell, especially it's the afternoon. So, but I usually give these to my daughter, so because she loves them. All right. The next thing we got, I believe these are the earrings. So let's open that up. Okay, and it comes with this and a nice bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Okay. Come on in. All right. Ooh. Okay. So, ooh, these are gorgeous. So they're little triangles, so they match the ring, the shape, and that's what it looks like, guys. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty, and it comes like with the little hooks. That's nice. So you just hook it in your ear like so. Oh, these are gorgeous. I really like that. And like I said, for $12, you can't beat that, I think. Okay. And then we have the necklace. Oh my God, look at the necklace. It matches the earrings. And you have a choice. You can either get gold or silver. I always get the silver because I have a white gold wedding ring, and I hate, me personally, I don't like when my metals clash. So let's see if I can have a big head, but yeah, I was able to do that. So figures I put it backwards. Let's try that again. Okay. Okay. So that's what it looks like. So here we go. Come on in, get it together. That is really pretty. Now you can also, it does have it to where you can make it longer or shorter. So I do like that. Come on in. I do like that. Let me show you. So there it is. You can make it longer, shorter. So this is on the shortest. So it does come pretty far. I know some people like to wear it like right here. This, unfortunately, you won't. But so what I would do is I will probably put it to where it's a little bit longer because where it's at, it like cuts right here. But I do love it. I think this is beautiful. And it goes perfectly with the earrings. I love it so much. And where is that ring? Don't tell me I lost it already. Here it is. So, and it does match. Let's see, right there. So yeah, so let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this subscription? I really They do have the little logo right there, the mongoose. She just started doing this, I think, a month or two ago. So yeah, let me know what you think. Like I said, you can use my discount code if you want to try it for $10, which I think that's great for 3 pieces of jewelry, even the $12 a month when it matches and stuff. And you do get your pick if you want it silver or gold, which I think that's great as well. And everybody, and I want to say this too because a lot of people ask me, everybody gets the same thing every month. It's not like one person gets this, one person gets that. So if you've seen this video, everybody else that got it in July got the same thing. All right, guys, if you have any more questions, leave them down in the comments below and I will try to answer them. But please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It means a lot to me. And until my next video, bye, guys.